Hi everyone and welcome back. As I mentioned in my previous video, today I will walk you through my repair bench and the tools I use on a daily basis. I will try to explain what each tool is for and why it's matter in real hardware diagnostics. And I'm gonna try to start with the most important ones. We have here the Silver Flow 938BD soldering station. What I like a lot on this model is that it's using the T12 soldering tips, and it have this amazing function. If you can see from here to here, you have a place where you can change the tool tip even if it is very hot. Okay, so this part is designed that it will not going hot when you are using it. That make it very useful if you need to change the head tip with a different one when you are doing some kind of soldering work. The heat gun from it's going to like 500 degrees. Of course, it's moderate usage, as is not like dedicated hot gun for BGM soldering, but with some tricks and bits, you can do it. With the time, when you are getting the skills necessary, you're gonna be able to do a lot of things with non-related specific hardware, if I can say that. Okay, what is next? The next is the power supply, which is a Kwaikyuu. It's a Japanese company. I'm not sure if I'm spelling it right. I don't think you can spell it right if you are not knowing Japanese or you are not a Japanese. It is a moderate power supply. He can go to 30 volts maximum and 10 amps. But for what I'm using it to inject some current on some circuits, it's really okay. The next one will be the digital multimeter. I have like 5 or 6 of them. This one I prefer much on my bench, and it's a Crenova MS8233D. Next, I will present the selection of my screwdrivers. So I have the iFixit. I don't remember which model it is. I have it from like 10 years, I think, from the time it was first released. Still good. Very good selection of tools. And it's also my set which I'm taking when I'm mobile, to say like that. Then I have another selection of screwdrivers. It's a company called Baku. It's Chinese, of course. Again, a very nice selection of tips which you can use in all kind of different jobs. And also, again, from Baku, an electric screwdriver. You can also use it as manual because it gives you that opportunity. And this one is good for the Apple devices. What is next? Here I have my all-day use ratchet screwdriver. Is the Xiaomi one. Very good, very simple. As I said, is with ratchet, magnetic. Also a very good selection of tips. And the most important, it's dirty cheap. I think I got this with like 18 euros, and it's really strong and really good. I recommend to have this. In fact, everyone should have this. Next, a simple power meter, digital. It's very good when you're troubleshooting power delivery or power issues, you know. Very simple, very good to use, different options of the screen and so on. What I have here more, yeah, the UV cooling light from Mechanic, again a Chinese company, simple to use, good for when you make new traces on a PCB. The next one will be, of course, my thermal camera, which is a Thermal Master P1. I'm using it with the conjunction of a P30 Pro from Huawei. I really love this phone. I'm really sorry that, you know, we cannot use anymore Huawei on Europe or America or whatever it is. Simple to use, very good sensor, very good resolution. Yeah, directly to the spot. So let's see what is next. Next will be my microscope, which it have really nice features. You can use it on an external monitor. You can insert a memory card to take pictures, videos. It also have his own remote control, but I'm not using it like this. I like to use it with his own software on my computer. So this is the software of the microscope. As you can see, we can change the resolution. It have a lot of types of resolutions. I really like the 180p resolution. It also has some controls for the saturation of the image, colors, etc. Yeah, so that's pretty much for this bench overview. In my next video, I will be working on a RTX 280 Ti, and I will show you how the wrong drivers can overheat your GPU, even destroying it. So if you found this useful, feel free to subscribe and leave a like. It really helps the channel. For now, thank you and see you on the next one.